Let's discuss XRP today. At this moment in time, price is 0.3344, 20th August, that is today. But look at this. Trading View is telling us that it is a strong sell right now. Let me know in the comments if you agree with this or not. Trading View is telling us last 1 year return minus 70%. So yeah, Trading View is actually not very happy with the performance of XRP, but that's okay. So as you can see on the screen, I have got the daily chart for XRP, and straight away I can see actually this red line. You see this red line over here, which is our point of control, 0.3018, means that a lot of volume was traded in this price. And if I put a horizontal line over here, you can see that this level actually is quite important. Why? Look at this in recent time. Look at this one, support, lot of action in here, resistance, then converted to support, resistance, resistance. So you can see what I mean. Okay, look at this, support, lot of support in this area. So actually 0.3 we can say, considering being a whole number and a psychological level, is actually quite important for XRP. So we have to keep an eye on this level. If I try to look at another level, so maybe this one would be interesting for us, roughly 0.37 it is coming out to. If I want to make a support line below the current price, then maybe this level can be important, 0.24. okay, so this is on the daily chart. Now if I try to zoom into the 4-hour chart, let's see how this is performing. Okay, you can see that we are being range bound in this region, which I just made this support area 0.3 to 0.37. Interesting thing to watch right now is, let me get this paintbrush, rejection of the 200 moving average, rejection of the 200 moving average, rejection again. So yeah, this red line basically is causing a lot of trouble for XRP. But again, as I mentioned before, this area looks interesting actually, 0.32 till 0.3, interesting area for XRP. We have to keep an eye for this on the 4-hour chart. If I look at the bottom for the RSI, 39 RSI, you can see price is trying to make a lower low, but RSI is in the opposite direction. So we are getting a bullish divergence forming over here, so some possibility is there. But if I move on to Bitcoin dominance, why I keep talking about this is because alts are related to Bitcoin dominance. We can see that okay, some support for XRP is possible in this area, but again Bitcoin dominance. Okay, Bitcoin dominance, let's go to the daily for Bitcoin dominance. So as I mentioned before, look at this area, very important area for support. Any bounce from here means that alt will start suffering. So this is something you need to keep an eye on if you are interested in trading the cryptocurrency called XRP by Ripple Lab. So this is a quick analysis of XRP. I hope you find this helpful. Once again, a simple reminder, if you are actively trading the markets, please consider proper risk management. If you're not aware of this, try to learn. Thousands of videos are available online on YouTube. Use proper risk management. That is how you can protect your account. Until then, good luck trading. Thank you.